Welcome back to the Grow Your Daycare podcast, where we talk all things marketing strategy to help you fully book and advertise your childcare business. My name is Christina, and I'm happy that you're here. I'm happy that you found me. I'm happy that you are actually listening to this episode. I hope that the series on effective marketing ideas is helping you understand and or feel better about your marketing. I know that if you're in this business, it's because you love children, but you're not really a marketing guru, which is okay, because this is why I'm here, to help you get past that and really just help you feel more confident about marketing, especially in the online space. So if you're new to the podcast, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure you follow the podcast and that you leave me a review, especially if these episodes are actually helping you and adding value to your business. I really want to know that it's doing that, right? So make sure you leave me a review. I wanted to mention that this is part 7. Wow, 7 already. So this month I focused primarily Mondays and Wednesdays episodes on effective marketing ideas for your daycare, preschool, or childcare center. And hopefully, if you haven't caught on, you can do that. You can actually binge listen to them. They're like under 10 minutes an episode. So if you're struggling with marketing or you want to understand it better, scroll up and start binge listening, okay? So today we're going to be focusing on your content, part 7. And I'm going to walk you through a few things that are important for you to know. I'm going to talk a little bit about some marketing mistakes that I see when it comes to content marketing, so that you are not stuck doing those mistakes when you are advertising or putting your content strategy together for your business. So what is a content strategy? What does that mean, Christina? It means that you have an idea or you have intent behind what you are creating in terms of content for your platforms, okay? So you want to always be creating content that engages, that entertains, that helps people, and that allows those that are following you to feel as though, yes, this is the person that we need to bring our child to. Like, she knows what she's talking about. We trust her, we like her, we connect with her, we believe in her program. This is the person for us, okay? And when I say content, by the way, if you don't know what that means, because I know a lot of people say content. Content is just basically anything that you're posting on social media, videos that you're recording, any reels, anything that you're sharing with your followers or potential clients, if you will. That's your content, okay? So obviously, if you're running a business, you have some type of online presence, either on Facebook or on Instagram. And on these pages, obviously, you want to be able to engage and keep these platforms updated, okay? A lot of marketing mistakes that I see when it comes to content creation and home daycare providers or childcare center owners is that there's no strategy behind what they're doing. They're basically just updating their pages just to update them, okay? Because they haven't done it in a while. Or they kind of just throw like a random picture of like a arts and crafts, or they write like a Taco Tuesday type of post, and that's it, right? And then they're wondering, well, why isn't anybody liking? Why isn't anybody calling? My page hasn't grown. What is going on, okay? So when you're thinking about your strategy, I want you to think about this, that this is an amazing platform that you get to use for free to grow your brand awareness, okay? This is not a place where you're going to go and you're going to dish out personal things or just start, all sorts of other madness online, right? Like, we don't need more of that. This is a place that you use to allow families to get to know you better, to understand a little bit more about your program, to actually recognize that, hey, like, she's doing all these amazing things. Look what the kids are doing. Look what other people are saying about her, right? This is what these platforms are used for. And to get your followers to take that next step, whether that's to go on your website, to sign up for your email list, to claim a coupon code, to book a visit with you, whatever that is, you want to always make sure that you are leading these people somewhere else, okay? Always. And when we're thinking about our content strategy, you always want to be thinking like a month ahead. Like, what do I have going on next month? What are we doing with the kids? What types of themes are we exploring? What types of activities do we have planned out? Events, anything fun that you're doing. And you want to really just base your content on that. So the easiest way to do this, right, is by batching your content. So batching basically means taking 1 or 2 days out of your month, thinking about your month ahead and thinking, okay, what are we sharing about with our followers and potential, new families about our program. So this can look something like every Monday, we're going to give some inspiration to the families to get them going for Monday, another week. Every Tuesday, I'm going to go live and I'm going to answer Q&As that I've received. Every Wednesday, I am going to share about our curriculum and all the amazing things that we're doing in our program. Thursday could be a shout out to someone that's doing a good job in your daycare. Maybe you have a teacher that's been amazing. Maybe one of the kids finally managed to, write their name by themselves, right? Whatever that is. So you always want to be thinking about, how can I attract more families with my content? How can I educate them? So you can do like a Tip Tuesday or a Wellness Wednesday type of post. How can I position myself as the go-to when it comes to childcare? That's another great type of post that you should be creating every week. And how can I get them to take action? How can I engage with them to the point where they're so comfortable that they feel like they know me and they can take that next step? And you know what? Side note, this does take time. I have a client inside my marketing membership where she's been using our content, the content that we give her, and she was using this for 10 straight months. And it took her 10 months to fully book her program, only using social media organic content. Like, that's it. And she's in the process of starting a wait list right now. So this does work, but it takes consistency and it takes time. Like, you really need to stick to your schedule, okay? If you have a hard time coming up with posts to create, join me inside the $7 social media content hub, where we basically create your content strategy for the month with the graphics and the promo videos, and we can actually text it to you if you wish every single morning. So you know what you're posting, the graphic that goes along with it, and you're good to go, like literally under 2 minutes a day. So, but in any case, you really just have to be thinking about your strategy, right? Your mission, your goals, the values of your business. All these things have to be shared about, and not just once, because I know sometimes people say, well, I don't want to talk about that again. Yes, you do, because chances are that if you posted about your business, for example, about, a special activity you had 2 weeks ago, no one's going to remember that. So you always have to be showing up in their feed, and you follow your content strategy, right? Whatever that looks like for you. And you always want to be posting about stuff. So if you're a Montessori program, you want to be posting Montessori things. If you're a Reggio Emilia, a daycare, you're posting about that. If you're more nature-based, or you offer organic meals, or you're Christian-based, or you've been around for 50 years, I don't know, post about these things. It's important because that's what's going to stand out. That's how you're going to brand yourself, and that's how your community is going to get to know about you, okay? And once you do that, once you put out you have your calendar out and you start thinking about themes for your days, so inspiration, engagement, education, business type content, then you want to start writing these posts down, and then going into Canva, sign up for a free account if you don't have one already, and use their graphics. They're really nice graphics, nice templates that are professionally created. You can add your branding to them as well. And then there you go. You have everything saved up. So all you have to do is go inside your Meta Suites and pre-schedule your content out for the entire month. I promise you, this is going to save you so much time and so much hassle. If you don't do this, you're going to be stuck running around trying to figure out something to post. So that's how you come up with your content strategy. And again, always lead with a call to action. What do you want them to do after they've read this post? Like it, share it, tag it, contact you for more information, visit your website, whatever that is, it has to be crystal clear. And this is how you kind of guide people with your organic content strategy to get to know about you and to get them to trust you. And best part, to get them to enroll in your program. So I hope that you understand that social media is not just posting randomly. These platforms thrive on consistency and engagement, and there has to be thought put into your strategy when it comes to your content. Okay, you want to use these platforms to grow your business, not to be wasting your time. So I hope that this blesses you and your business. If you're not on my email list, get on it, because we just started posting and sharing about a brand new promotion we are having for the next 4 days. It's our spring cleaning big sale. If you're thinking about joining the Childcare Business Growth Hub, now is the time. If you want to get the details, I will put them in the show notes. But if you're on my email list, you probably know already. So go ahead, claim your spot, get in right now. We're having a great sale, and never worry about your marketing ever again. I will see you in just a few days, friend. Bye for now.